Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to return Shein items. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Shein app. Now, and this shop button over here will be able to see the information of Shein app. Now, here's the return policy as well. Make sure you read it. And here are the steps how we can make a return. And we need to follow these steps. That is, we need to go to my orders and click on return item. We'll follow this step later. We need to have a proper reason to return any items, and make sure you read all of this about the refund policy as well. Refund will be done within 5 days after the return is received. So let's get back. Now click on me in the bottom right corner, and in orders we can see this option called returns. So let's tap on this. Since I have nothing to return, it's empty here. Now we need to simply click on the item we would like to return, and we need to give a proper reason as well, after which the return processing will be done. So this is all we can do to return an item on Shein app. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.